Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is 2 p.m. and we're live for our live trading session. Who is making money? Are you seeing what's going on in the market currently? All right. Are you following what's going on? Are you following what's going on? There is a fundamental that just came out just some few minutes ago. One came out by 2:30, the other one came out by 2:15, and it's been a full strength in the US. Gold has been crashing, US 100 has been crashing, US 30 same, US 2000 every single. You made 2000. You made 2000. Congratulations. At least it's something. Congratulations. Congratulations. I have a client that just made about 2.3 million from that trade, from the fall on gold and US 100. That was really amazing. Yeah, and congratulations to all of you. And I really hope he's here. I guess we're going we're going to have some Nkwobi this weekend. All right. So I will just go to his house. Let's have some Nkwobi together. All right. So congratulations to those that have actually made some profit. But now we're going to be taking advantage of the reversal. And there's another news by 3 p.m. All right, there's another news by 3 p.m. So we're going to be taking advantage of the reversal and also the take advantage of the 2 p.m. Sorry, the 3 p.m. news. But just before we get started, let's take a look at the Forex Factory and see what we've got on our Forex Factory. So just in case you've not been following the news, now this is it: the ADP non-farm employment change. But you ask me, how come this news, where has it been? Has it been really as volatile as this? Now, the answer is that it hasn't really been as volatile as it was today. Do you understand? Now, there are about two major news that actually came out almost at the same time. The first one is the ADP non-employment change, which is news that actually come out every Wednesday before NFP. Please take note of that. I'm not saying it comes out every Wednesday. I said every Wednesday before NFP. So it means that the week of NFP is also the same week that this one comes out, but then it comes out Wednesday and then NFP is on Friday. I hope you got that. So it is actually like should I use the word a prelim to NFP? Do you understand? And let me tell you the truth. Most times it doesn't happen every single time. All right, so don't write it on a book and feel it is going to be every single time. But most time, when ADP unemployment change come out positive, NFP always come out positive. Yes. So on Friday, come up with your A game because you already have a glimpse of what the market is going to look like. So if you're coming out on Friday to trade NFP, know that you're coming out with your A game. And the direction I'm going to be going for NFP is for sell. All right. It's for sell. All right. Yeah. So NFP is actually tomorrow. Remember, NFP is tomorrow. When I say Friday, just know that it's not so long. It's just tomorrow. Do you understand? And so this is what we've got here. This is what we've got here. And of course, we also have the unemployment claim that comes out every week. Is actually a weekly news. This particular one, oh, someone said I made 6,000 naira from US 100. Congratulations. Congratulations. That is the power of fundamental. Do you understand? And we even have another one, the ISM service PMI and JOLT job opening that is coming out by 3 p.m. So you can still take advantage of this. So it's not too late. It is not too late. It is not too late. It is not too late. So now going forward, like I said, there is a reversal currently going on in the market. There is a reversal in the market. So those instruments that have actually been buying, that has been selling, this is the time to go and take advantage of their reversals. All right. So this is the time to take advantage of the reversals. So the reversal is currently in vogue. Sorry, excuse me. So for gold, okay, let me just okay, said I made one. Wait. Am I seeing well? iPhone. Okay, you don't have a name there. It's just iPhone. I'm seeing there. He said I made $1K on Euro USD. Are you joking right now? Because if that is the truth, please send me your address. Are you serious? Send me your address, please. I think I need to relocate to your house. 1K dollars is about 700 or 800,000. That is a nice one. That is a nice one. On Euro USD, just one day. That is so amazing. That is so amazing. And congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Seriously, it's something that is Mr. Paul. I can't remember. I can't forget your name. You always join me every single day. Nice to have you again. Okay. So, but then this is really great. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. All right. So let's go ahead. I'm going to be sharing my screen now, and let's see what is it called? How the market has actually been reacting. Okay, so just a second. I'm going to be sharing my screen just now. I want to share go to my chart. All right, great. Now this is actually what we've been experiencing on gold. This is gold right here. This is US 30. This is US 100. All right, this is US 2000. And of course, you can see the massive sell on gold. You could literally see the massive sell on gold. And look at this particular hammer that just formed on 15 minutes. But what we're actually looking at is on 5 minutes time frame. Let's take a look at it on 5 minutes time frame and see the kind of reversal that we had. Okay, now this is price piercing. All right, this is price piercing on US 100. Sorry, gold. So I am actually expecting a kind of a reversal. All right, so we're going to be experiencing more of a retracement on this particular instrument. But before we go ahead with this, let's take a look at dollar index. Let's take a look at dollar index. Okay, so now this is dollar index. I actually ruled this line yesterday. If you can remember, I ruled this line yesterday. All right, showing you the trend of the market, showing the direction of the market. All right, and because of this particular volatility, there was something that happened in the morning, and that is actually what you saw this massive fall. And immediately after the fall, you could see what the fundamental did. It took it back to where it was. This particular fundamental took it back to where it was. So the question is that, do you think that US index or dollar index will get back to this particular line that we drew here, which is at price 103.112? Do you think it has the ability to go back to that point? All right. Do you think that Euro USD dollar index has the ability to go back to that point? I personally, I would say yes. Yes, it does. All right, because every single news that has been coming out today has been favoring this particular instrument, and we're looking at 1 hour time frame, because we're going to be using 1 hour time frame to control what is going to be happening on a smaller time frame. Okay, so I still this particular trade still going in for a further buy. All right, I am seeing the dollar index still going in for a further buy. Okay, on 1 hour time frame. So if that is the case, because I am still looking at this particular trend to still continue to get to, even if it's not on 103.112, but at least to somewhere close to it. All right, to somewhere close to it. Now you probably will be asking, how come it broke below here? This is actually what we call the market noise, or a fake out. It was mostly a market noise, and market noise is mostly caused by all these fundamentals. Of course, fundamental news is actually what brings about market noise. All right. So that being said, if we're looking at it technically, you still see that there is lots of space that should make this particular instrument go back up. And of course, if you're also trying to be reasonable enough with it on fundamental technical aspect, you discover that there is a double bottom formed exactly at this point. Are you seeing a double bottom right here? Okay. All right, are you seeing a double bottom right here? There is a double bottom here. So this is giving us a further sell on buy on dollar index. So going to 5 minutes time frame, you could still see the dollar, of course, even on the 5 minutes time frame, you can still see the double bottom that has been formed right at this point. Now for 1 hour time frame, this is a double bottom right here, and at this point. But here also has been recorded a double bottom. So with this, I am still going in for a further buy on this instrument. I am still going in for a further buy on dollar index. All right, I probably will be taking my profit around this region. Yes, I'll be taking my profit around 102.957. 102.957. Okay, now at that region, of course, you can already see a weak resistance, but then you can still go ahead and buy your dollar index. So if that is the reason, if that is the case, there are a lot of charts here. What's going on? What are they talking about? Oh, this is my trade. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Now I can see it. Congratulations. You should go. You should make more profit. Stop asking. Stop asking somebody for Azar or for you to post Azar for the person. Be the one that they will send to. All right, please, let's go ahead. Now, I said for dollar index. Dollar index is an instrument or it's an instrument that actually measures the strength of US dollars. So when I said that dollar is going to still be strong, and if dollar is going to be strong, every other thing relating to dollar would sell. Every other thing relating to dollar will still sell. Do you understand? So for where you are, if you want to trade on dollar index, yes, you can actually go ahead and still buy your dollar index. You can go ahead. You can actually give that a try, give that a big push, still go ahead with a buy on dollar index. So that brings us to Euro USD. Yes, we can still sell our Euro USD. You can still go ahead and sell your Euro USD. Take your profit for Euro USD at price 1.08645. So Euro USD, I am selling Euro USD. I am selling Euro USD. Yes, instant buy for dollar index and instant sell for Euro USD. That's what I'm going in for. So instant buy for dollar index and instant sell for Euro USD. So that actually brings us to this particular instrument of mine. All right, this particular instrument, which is USD JPY. So this is USD JPY. I am still going in for a buy on USD JPY. I am still going in for a buy on USD JPY. You can actually see the direction already. Of course, it's still giving me a perfect positioning. So for USD JPY, we are still going in for a buy. And my take profit for the USD JPY is headed to price, even on 1 hour time frame, I'm taking it up to price 144.582. 144.582. 144.582. All right. Okay, so for USD JPY, we're going in for a further buy, and you should be targeting your take profit at price 144.582. 144.582. 144.582. That is where we're actually targeting for this particular instrument. All right, that's what we're heading to for USD JPY. Now, going forward, if you remember our what's it called, the GBP JPY and Euro JPY, who remember these trades? GBP JPY and Euro JPY, who remember these trades? Everything we're taking out is on 5 minutes time frame. All right, but then for USD JPY, I use 1 hour time frame to analyze it, and I said it's still headed to that point. So you can also take it out on 1 hour time frame. But for USD GBP JPY, of course, you still remember, right? You still remember these instruments. And also for Euro JPY, GBP JPY and Euro JPY, you already know what to do on them. I said I'm going to still be going in for a further buy on these instruments. I'll still be going in for a further buy on them. All right. I already told you my reason for doing that. So for USD CAD, what are we still doing? We're still going to be considering a further buy on USD CAD too. Remember that we said dollar index is still going to be pushing up. Now look at it. It's almost at our take profit for dollar index. So for USD CAD also, I'll be rooting in for a further buy. I'll be going in for a further buy on USD CAD, USD Canadian dollar. I'll be going in for a further buy. I know that currently the market is actually trying to do a little bit of a retracement, but looking at it from this angle, look at this. So I just feel that this particular sell is going to stop at this point and then still move up a little bit. It's still going to be moving up a little bit more. Now, if you check it out on 1 hour time frame also, you could see literally that there is nothing stopping up the buy, but there is a verified resistance at the top. There is a verified resistance at the top. So it is going to retest that resistance for USD CAD. So please don't be in a haste to enter a sell on USD CAD, but rather I would advise you go in for a further buy on USD CAD. So USD CAD, I'll be going in for a buy. All right, I'll be going in for a buy on USD CAD. And my take profit for this USD CAD is going to be before the verified resistance. But I'm going to be taking it just at this region. I'll be taking my profit right there, because if I go to 5 minutes time frame, it's just going to be giving me a perfect take profit point. Let me just shrink out. So my sell is going to be from where all these regions, where price is my sell region. All right. This point, this is my sell region for USD CAD. So I am selling all the way from this point. My take profit will be at price 1.33297. 1.33297. That is my take profit for USD CAD. Then what about AUD USD? What are you going to do about, AUD USD. AUD USD actually made a double bottom around here. All right, it actually made a double bottom around here on 30 minutes time frame. But let's see what it has done on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. This is the sell actually. All right, it's also made a double bottom around here. And in as much as they are saying that here is a weak support, but I actually feel that here is a strong support. Now, price got to this point and it reversed. Got here, and is currently here. So adding all these things together, I think is actually a strong support rather than a weak support. All right. So, and okay, let's just really line on it. So I think where price is currently is a strong support. Do you understand? So don't just feel is a weak support and then push into it. So with that in mind, I would not want to trade on a support, because one of the things that you should always avoid is, of course, one of the laws of trading is that don't buy on a support. Sorry, don't sell on a support and don't buy on a resistance. So with that in mind, you can enter a sell on USD, on AUD USD rather, AUD USD, set up a sell at price 0.66265. That is our entry position for AUD USD. All right, 0.66265. That should be your entry for sell. Okay, that should be your entry for sell. And I'm going to be analyzing this using 1 hour time frame. Then I will go to 30 minutes, 5 minutes time frame and take a look at how it actually looks like. Okay, so for 5 minutes time frame, going through it, you could see that this is what we've been seeing here. And I said you can actually enter a sell from here, but with that we can actually adjust it just a little bit higher. Okay, so for AUD USD, your sell should be at 0.66291, and your take profit should be all the way to price 0.66165. AUD USD, your sell entry should be at price 0.66291. 0.66291. That should be your entry for sell. And your take profit should be at price 0.66165. Then you can put up your stop loss at price 0.66411. That should be your stop loss on AUD USD. That should be your stop loss on AUD USD. So I believe you've been able to take up your trade on AUD USD, USD CAD, and of course I said all these regions for USD CAD is actually my entry position. And I also told you for GBP USD, yes, I am going in for a further sell. Okay, I told you I will be going in for a further sell, even in as much as the price actually got to this point and is making the double top here, but still I'll be going in for a further sell, of course, with support actually for okay, did I talk about GBP USD before now? Okay, I'm not sure I talked about GBP USD, so let's just take a look at it. All right, so for GBP USD, okay, great, thank you. For GBP USD, yes, I'll be going in for a further sell. Yes, I'll be going in for a further sell. And my take profit for GBP USD for the sell is going to be at price 1.27358. 1.27358. That should be our take profit for GBP USD. That should be our take profit for GBP USD. So I'm taking on an instant sell. I'm taking my the trade at instant sell, and my take profit would be at price 1.27358. 1.27358 will be where I'll be stopping my trade. That is going to be my take profit for that. Yes, I have discussed Euro USD, and I remembered for Euro USD, I said I was actually still going to be buying up until this point, and it has actually almost gotten to our take profit before having this bounce off again. But still, it is still going to sell. All right, for Euro USD, it was still going to sell. This was our take profit, and it got very close to it, somewhere around here, and then it bounced off. All right, but then I'm still going to be seeing a further sell on Euro USD. Yes, for Euro USD, I'll still be going in for a further sell. And look at itself. My IPM is still showing me a further sell. And of course, USD JPY, I told you that I will be going in for a buy. Yes, I will still be going in for a buy, in as much as I analyze it using 1 hour. But for GBP JPY, USD JPY, yeah, we're still going in for our buy position. Okay, so now let's now talk about a little bit of now what will you want to do with NZD USD? What do you want to do with NZD USD? Now, over the period, NZD USD has actually been buying, but for today, you had this particular retracement. So for NZD USD, I'm going to analyze it using 1 hour time frame. All right, it is currently bouncing off on a verified support. NZD USD is bouncing off from a verified support on 1 hour time frame. So if you want to take up any trade, on NZD USD, please go in for a buy. Yes, go in for a buy on NZD USD. I know that currently we said that US dollars is strong, but the thing is that New Zealand is currently very strong. So if you're taking up a trade on this, let it be on 1 hour time frame, and your take profit on NZD USD should be before your 21 period moving average at price 0.61875. Sorry, 879. 0.61879 should be your take profit, and your stop loss for NZD USD should be just below the support line, which is at 0.61609. 0.61609. So that's my take profit. But for NZD USD on 1 hour time frame, please, how do you calculate time frames? Time frames are actually system given to you. All right, you already have your time frames on your charts. Now, if you're using a phone, just click at the middle of your phone. You'll see a circle will appear. You'll see M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, W1, and of course MN. So those numbers actually tell you your time frame. So you have your 1 hour, the M1 is 1 minute, the M5 is 5 minutes. So that's how you're going to see your time frames. But if you're using your laptop, or for MT4 users, you're going to be seeing your time frame just at the top of your screen right here. All right, you're going to be seeing it right here. But for MT5 users, you also see it here, or just right click and then go to your time time frame right here. You'll see every single one of them. All right, this is how you can know your time frame. Okay, can you say something on your Eurocard? I would have actually loved to say that, but this particular training or this particular trading session is mostly for US pairs or US indices, either US pairs or US indices, then plus gold. AUD USD is a sell stop or sell limit. It is a sell stop, sir, not a sell limit. I am going in for a sell stop. This one above here is actually the stop loss. So this is the entry position right here. This is the take profit. So it's a sell stop, please. Yeah, gold, we're actually looking at gold right now. So going back to gold, you will see that gold has already started retracing. All right, gold has started retracing. All right, I remember when we immediately I came on, I was like, okay, fine. For those people that want to take on gold, we're going to be seeing a little bit of a retracement on gold. All right, but then do you think that this retracement is going to be sustainable? Now, the truth is that every single buy that we've had, every single sale that we'll have today is going to be recovered. Please, sir, can I analyze only one time frame? Yes, you can analyze only one time frame, but I actually prefer to swap between time frames for clarity. All right, for clarity. So for gold, we're going to be taking our sell. Now, I'm going to be giving you a sell stop and a buy stop for gold. So are you ready to get the entries? All right. For the person that is what is it called? Christabel, should be Christabel Samuel. Okay, please. For more information on how to set up your sales limit and sell stop, you can just reach out to your account manager. I might not be able to do that because of the time constraint that we have in this training, on this trading session. A lot of persons are already saying that I'm too fast. Okay, so I'm just trying to round up every single thing I have within the shortest possible time. So I might not be able to start going through all these processes. Do well to ask your account manager or join our evening trainings. Yes, I am actually trying to work on not being too fast again. Oh, wow. And you guys didn't say, yes, you're really fast. Yes, you're too fast. So all of you now want to crucify me. I apologize for that. Okay. I am not. At least I have one supporter, so I think I'm good to go. So let's ride on. Let's ride on my Zoom user, even though you don't have a name, but let's ride on. Okay, so but I'm going to try to be a little bit calmer, okay, just for everybody's sake. Now, take a look at gold. Looking at gold right now, I actually see that gold is still going to recover the massive sell it had over time. Gold is going to recover the massive sell. And I told you that going forward, gold is actually going to sell, going to buy more. But because it is almost 2:30, I would not just want you to enter a buy or a sell. So for gold, let's set up a sell limit, a sell stop and a buy stop. So for the buy stop point, please take the entries. For the sell stop, you can enter a sell on gold at price 1908. 1908.45. That is your sell entry. 1908.45. Once price gets there, sell and take your profit at price 1905.03. 1905.03. 1905.03. Yes. Now, for the sell, for the buy rather, you can take your buy entry at price 1912.34. 1912.34. So that is the entry position for the buy. Let me take the buy again. 1912.34. And the sell and the take profit for the buy is 1915.54. And somebody just asked a question. I can see that this program is for those that are trading alone. I haven't started to trade. I am still practicing on demo account. Then why not just enter? Why not just enter those trades on your real account or in your demo account? Yes, if you're trading on your demo account, you can still enter the trades on your demo account. At least you're getting used to the whole system. So try the trades also on your demo account and see how it works. All right. So the buy stop again, 1912.34. And the take profit is 1915.54. Okay, so you can go ahead and try out the trade. Okay. All right, so that should be that for gold. And very soon, the entry or the instrument, of course, it will be 2:30, and at least from there, you should be able to set up your at least to be able to trigger one of the positions. Okay, so let's take a look at US 2000. Now, US 2000, the truth is that I'll still be going in for a further sell on US 2000. Yes, I'll still be going in for a further sell on US 2000. I know I'm on 15 minutes time frame, but let me just take on 5 minutes time frame. Then I'll tell you. Now, currently US 2000 is on a verified support. It's resting on a verified support. So maybe because of this verified support, I'll probably will just tell you, if price goes below the verified support, you can go in for a sell. All right. Let's just respect the support. What's it called? The support right here. So for US 2000, you can enter your trade at price 1862.2. All right. 1862.2. That should be your US 2000 sell entry. All right. That should be your US 2000 sell entry. That should be your US 2000 sell entry. 1862.2. If you're a US 2000 trader, my entry position is 1862.2. And for the gold sell, I said that gold sell is at price 1808.45, and the take profit is at 1805.0. Sorry, 19 actually. 1908.45 and 1905.03. Okay, so for US 2000, I said I'll be selling if price gets to 1862.2. 1862.2. I can't see your screen. I think it should be from your end. Okay, perfect. US 2000 is actually in motion right now. US 2000 is in motion right now. US 2000 is in motion right now. So if you've not entered your US 2000, you can still go ahead and enter your sell on US 2000. You can go ahead and enter your sell on US 2000. But please, for US 100, you can buy your US 100. I am buying my US 100. I am buying US 100. I am buying US 100 and US 30, but I will sell US 2000. Do you understand? So I'll buy US 100 and US 30, but I will sell US 2000. Okay, so I think going forward, we're going to be seeing some volatilities, of course, some recoveries, especially from US 100 and gold. You're going to be seeing some good recoveries from the system. All right, you're going to be seeing some recoveries. So for gold, yes, I'm going to be seeing a buy recovery, like I said. But then for US 2000, yes, I'll be going in for a sell. I'll be going in for a sell for US 2000. I'll be going in for a buy for US 100 and US 30. But for gold also, I'll be going in for a further buy. Yeah, gold, I'll be going in for a further buy. So that should have given you, oh, perfect. I don't know. This particular one, I said from this point, I'm going to be entering a buy. That's for NZD USD. Dollar index already pushed up to this extent, but then I'm still going to be seeing a further buy on that. Okay. So that being said, if you have any trade that is running, please just hold on your trade. Please check USD JPY again. I told you that for USD JPY, you should just buy, right? So I don't know. If you're on a trade on any of these instruments, just hold on to it, okay? All right, just hold on to it. It should be able to give you exactly what you want. Just hold on to any of your trades. Don't be in a haste to close your trade, and don't be in a haste to start saying, okay, I'm on negative on those trades. Just hold on. When you enter a trade, it doesn't just go to take profits. No, no, no. Trading is not a straight line thing. It doesn't have a straight line. All right. It's not a straight line curve. All right. It moves in zigzag direction. There is price fluctuations. So you might enter profits and then the next second you're negative. That does not mean you've lost the trade. It just means that hold on for your trade until it gives you profit. And there is something you need to know. You have not lost any trade until you have closed the trade. And until you close the trade, you cannot say you've lost the trade. And of course, the USD card, I said, okay, fine, a buy from this point. It is currently in motion. So you can still go ahead and buy your USD card. It is currently in motion. AUD USD, yes, I'll be going in for a further sell. Remember where I said you should sell from? Yes. So that is that. Dollar index, yes, I'm still buying. Gold, yes, I'm still going to be taking up a further buy on gold and the rest of them. Okay, US 30 actually reversed. But then please consider a further buy on that. US 2000, yes, we're still going to be buying on US 2000. All right, so that is going to be all for today. We will not be looking at agro commodities for today because we're going to be having a class on agro commodities because I need some persons to understand how agro works first before we finally start diving into it. So with that in mind, I made over 50K on gold and already. Okay, from earlier. Oh, great. Congratulations. That's okay. Oh, from the earlier buy, that is immediately. Oh, Bernard, that is you. That is you. That is you. That is you. Nice to see you. Am I buying gold or am I selling gold? Yes, I want to buy gold within the period. All right. Now I want to follow up this recovery just to this extent. All right. So that's actually what I'm doing. Oh, Bernard, congratulations. And yes, you should still hold on for the trade. Just be patient for your trade to give you some profit, and then you can take in your trade. Congratulations. Please, if you're on a buy on US 30, okay, I think it's best you close up the trade because with what I'm saying here, it is headed to this particular verified support. It is heading to this verified support. So if you made negative on that, you can actually go ahead and sell, and you'll be able to recover the negative you made with the sell. All right, you can go ahead and close and make profits from the sell because it's headed to the verified support, and you still have a long way to go. It still has a long way to go, so you have opportunity to make your money. The same thing goes with US 100. You still have a very big opportunity to still make your money. But for US 2000, yes, we're still going to be buying or selling US 2000. And gold, yes, I'm going to be buying gold also. So that being said, congratulations in advance and see you tomorrow. Okay, so I know you probably will be waiting for, okay, agro commodities is already opened. Yes, yeah, because of I will not be giving you an entry for agro commodities until we have the class that I said I'm going to be having with you. Hopefully, it's going to be by next week, Tuesday. But further information or details is going to be communicated with us in no time. So your account managers will reach out to you on the days we'll be having that particular training on agro commodities. Thank you, everybody. The same link, same time tomorrow. Do have a lovely evening. And by 3 p.m., there is going to be a fundamental, and it's also going to be very volatile. Please take advantage of it and also make your money. And let me know when you make profits. And how will you let me know? Just send your results to your account manager and tell the person to forward it to Mr. Chikezi. They will definitely send it to me. I will be able to reach out to you personally to congratulate you. And if you have any question, you can always ask. But by the way, I am selling my agro commodities just in case if you just still insist. I am selling agro commodities and I'm already on wheat. I'm already on profit for wheat. So if you want to join me, you can still go ahead. But for agro commodities, across all the agro commodities, all of them had a gap and is a gap down and is a fine confirmation for a sell. So for agro commodities, I am selling my agro commodities. Yes, I am selling agro commodities just in case for those people that really want to take advantage of the agro. Yes, I am selling my agro commodities. Look, I'm already on a good profit for wheat. All right. So, and the link to our Telegram channel and our YouTube page has been posted. Do well to join our pages as for the rebroadcast of any of our trainings. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining me. Agro commodities, I'm still selling, and I'm already on a very good profit. I'm already on a very good profit for agro commodities. And if you still want to join, yeah, the trend is very much open. Thank you, everybody. Like I've said that thank you like 3 times or 4 times. Have a lovely day.